Nodewood comes with a full user authentication and administration system built into it, which means that you can get started quicker building the actual business parts of your new project. Let's just take a quick little demo of that right now. This is the default login page that users will see when they go to log into your account. If they've forgotten their password, it's just a link down there. Enter your email address, sends out an email that lets them come back in and reset their password. Or what we can do is create an account. And since we don't have any users on this system yet, we'll do that. So I'll put in my email address, give it my name, password has to match, and we'll sign up. Now you'll notice that we're given an email confirmation step here, which you could just go to your browser or your email client, click the link to confirm. But let's just take a quick look in the database and we can see, yep, set up in here. I'm going to manually confirm that because I also want to change our account type to an admin right now so we can explore the administrative backend. So let's go back to the app. And there we are, logged in and confirmed and everything. This is the default homepage that you land on. You're welcome to configure it, the way that you need for your project. Here's the sidebar over here that you can fill with a bunch of other links to other parts of your project. For example, just a simple about page to demonstrate that you can have separate other pages, and a components page that demonstrates a lot of the components that come with Nodewood. Buttons, text input, drop-down, tables, pagination, etc. In the upper right, you'll find the user drop-down. We can go in and check out their profile. Because this is just a bare bones install, we haven't added any extra features for the user, but they can change their name. It gets updated right on the page. Let's change that back. And you can change your password, which I won't do right now because it'll sign us out. Next, you can go to the support button where users can fill in a request for support, which is sent to the email address that you set up in your project configuration. There's subscription, which we'll cover in a later video, but I want to get here to the admin panel. Now what we start with here is sample data, because since I'm the only user in the account and I've just signed up, the data would be pretty boring. But you can go into your application's configuration and disable that, and it'll display actual live data. More interestingly right now is the users section. Right here it just displays a list of users. This is configurable data here. You can change it to display more fields, less fields as you choose. And we can go in here, we can edit that user similar to how you can edit your own in profile, change your name, change your account type. You'll notice you can't change your password here, but that's because you can actually reset their password for them. And this will send them the same password reset email that they would get as if they logged in and clicked reset password and typed in their email address. But this means that if someone sends you an email asking, how do they get their password changed, etc., you can just go in and do this for them without having to explain the process to them. Finally, you can delete that user, which again, I won't do because it'll log us out. This is just one of the many ways that Nodewood can save you weeks or even months of time when building your next web app.